Does your organization's vision and mission inspire you? Are you struggling to channelize the interest and energy of your employees into a focused direction? Do you strategize according to your vision and mission? Are your goals specific, measurable, and realistic? Do you know how to formulate a vision statement for your company? Hi, my name is Abdesh Dikshit. I have more than 20 years of experience in HR, managing HR for global organizations. I'm pleased to invite you to this very important program on setting vision and direction for the company. This program is anchored by iJaipuria. I welcome you to learn and get inspired. This program teaches you how to set vision, how to create strategy, then how do you translate that strategy into action, how do you transform organizations, how do you manage change in the company, and what are the skills that are required in terms of making a good vision statement and setting the strategy for the company. In this program, you are also going to learn about some very interesting vision statements of inspiring and great companies. This program has been made highly interesting by the usage of videos, handouts, FAQs, scenarios, and also the program has taken into account some live examples from companies like Reliance, Titan, GE, HDFC, and others. I would like to invite all of you to enroll for this program and transform yourself. Happy learning.